Welcome, dear viewers, to a unique journey to your deepest and most successful self. Today, we will dive into the world of self-programming for success. It's not just a set of words and actions, it's a practice that will change your life. Imagine that you have the keys to your own reality, and they are within you. Let's open these doors together and learn the magic of success. You will need 3 yellow candles, your photograph, a needle, a yellow gel pen, or a marker. On each candle, write your name around the wick. Then from the wick to the bottom of the candle, write the phrase, "I attract success." Place your photograph on the altar and arrange the candles around it in a triangle shape, with the apex pointing away from you, symbolizing growth and the aspiration for success. Light the candles and recite the following affirmations 3 times. I am changing my reality and becoming more successful. No obstacles hinder me from getting closer to success. Every word and action of mine attracts success. I am surrounded only by successful people, and I am among them. I radiate success. Success is my primary goal, and I achieve it. With each day, I become more successful. After each reading, visualize yourself becoming more successful, abundant, and happy. Envision how you achieve your goals, how luck accompanies you, and how doors open before you. Feel yourself moving to a new level of life. Now, anchor this state on your photograph in the area of the Manipura chakra using a spiral. Read, visualize, and anchor the state. Repeat this 3 times. Then let the candles burn out. Wrap your photograph in yellow or red fabric and hide it in a secluded place. Repeat this practice for 3 consecutive days. Continue this practice for 3 to 6 months, using the same photograph and compacting the spiral each time. And here, we conclude our fascinating practice of programming for success. Remember that success starts in your thoughts and words. Each day, you'll be closer to your goals, and obstacles will be mere steps to success. Visualize your dreams, believe in yourself, and in your ability to attract success. This process takes time and diligent practice. So, keep exercising, repeat them, and then confidently move forward, applying them in your everyday life. Your future is in your hands. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe to our channel to not miss new videos and advice. Good luck on your path to success.